Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ayushi and we are going to talk about BFR today. Now BFR means blood flow restriction therapy. So it's a very beautiful thing which we use in the chronic pain patients, in the patients of knee arthritis, in the patients of weak core muscles in chronic pain and post-op cases like ACL injury patients. So what happens is that these muscles are weak, they are fragile, they cannot lift heavy weights. So what we do is we restrict the blood flow. So there's a band, it has a pneumatic component and we restrict almost 40 to 60% of the blood flow to that muscle. When we do that, there is lactate accumulation which kind of stimulate the growth factors and IGF-1 and then improves the muscle gaining pattern and does more hypertrophy of the muscle. So it's equivalent to high intensity workout without actually lifting the heavy loads, which we critically use in the cases of chronic pain, in knee arthritis, with weak cords and weak core in cases of chronic back pain, and in the cases of post-surgical rehab cases like ACL repairs and things like that. So it's a beautiful therapy where we kind of like give an atmosphere of heavy weight lifting to the muscle without actually lifting the heavy weights by blood flow restriction mechanism, and by which we train such weak muscles without putting more pressure on the joints, on the back, on the knees, so that we have better recovery, better muscle gain. But the important part in BFR is that since there is restriction to blood flow, it is very important to be done with the help of a proper medically trained therapist. So all such therapies, or blood flow restriction therapies, are to be done in a medical grade atmosphere because we are restricting the blood flow. We have to keep in check that what is the intensity, what is the percentage of the blood flow that we are doing. We have to keep check with the pneumatic pump. So it has to be done under the supervision of a medical staff and your doctors. And for more such latest upgrade in terms of post-op rehab of chronic pain, keep watching and subscribe for more details. Thank you.